Digital India program, and they had all the IT specific instruments like laptop or a computer, then power backup, internet broadband connectivity, and all that. So mobilization as well as getting the candidates in the center and training them was easy for us uh, pre-COVID. But after COVID, we had challenges in terms of training of these candidates. The other important aspect was the teacher capacity building and retraining. So I think that aspect is basically applies to all the fraternities actually. But since we were giving a very small awareness course on digital literacy, our teachers were local and we were able to teach them. We had training modules already developed, and teacher handbooks and all that was developed. We also had small WhatsApp groups in almost all the districts. In fact, I am part of these WhatsApp groups. I have 700 plus WhatsApp groups for each district. So we are able to monitor, and the whole dashboard actually helped us as well as the ministry in order to identify the gaps and try to fill up the gaps. The other part is the student assessment. So most of the assessments we did it through the online remote proctored system, which I think Ministry of Skill Development is doing, as well as Ministry of Electronics and IT has done in this scheme, Pradhan Mantri Gramin Digital Saksharta Abhiyan. So remote proctored exam is basically a candidate goes to a center nearest to their vicinity and take the exam. They don't need to go to any exam center per se and give the exam. So I think that gave us a lot of mileage because we were able to tap the women candidates, the elderly candidates, and they were brought to the centers uh, in a quite fashion, and we could actually complete those exams. The other part is we had lot of learning actually in some of the states. Some of the schemes went very well, and in some states they didn't do well. So we had basically a peer-to-peer interaction with each other and try to find out what works and what not, and basically to loop all that in and try to basically see the iterations working and then improve our systems. But most of the systems doesn't work because if there is a change in a particular system, people resist. So I think that is the important part. If you get the feedback or you identify QoS and try to improve your quality, then I think the systems will get more better and we will be able to implement larger projects in a more better way. And lastly, I wanted to end with a quote of Albert Einstein. Actually, Albert Einstein had a student assistants with him in Europe, and when Albert Einstein gave a question paper to his students, the teaching assistant actually asked Albert Einstein that, "Sir, this is the same paper which you gave to this set of students last year." Albert to that Albert Einstein said, "See, the questions are the same, but answers have changed." Thank you, Joyita. Over to you.